Ukhomishana wamaphoyisa eEastern Cape uMajor General uNomthetheleni Mene usekhiphe umyalelo wokuthi kuthungathwe abadubule babulala abantu abayisishiyagalombili eKariega eEastern Cape kungakapheli amahora angamashumi ayisikhombisa nambili. Amaphoyisa athi-ke lesi sigameko senzeke ey'ndaweni ey'ngaqhelelene engamakhilomitha amabili. Esokuqala senzeke emgwaqeni Mabi nalapho kutholakala khona izidumbu ezine zabesilisa, kwathi esinye isidumbu satholakala ngaphandle kwemoto kanye nowesilisa obelimele ophuthunyiswe esibhedlela. Kwesinye isigameko kutholakale izidumbu zabesilisa ababili emotweni ebisemgwaqeni Izola. Kutholakala esinye sesithathu isidumbu ngaphandle kwemoto. Amaphoyisa athi ababulewe bebengakahlonzwa, athi imoto yesigameko sesibili kubikwa ukuthi yebiwe eHumansdorp ngoNhlaba kulonyaka. Kucela ukuthi onolwazi ngalezi gameko ezenganeno.
Surrounding the murders are under investigation. Suspects and motive for the murders are unknown at this stage. We are probing a possible link to the two incidents. 2 cases of murder with multiple victims will be open. General Mene has called on the communities to assist police in apprehending those responsible for the carnage and has vowed that through the 72-hour activation plan, all resources needed in the investigation will be utilized to swiftly track and trace and arrest the suspects.